Once there was a boy who loved to ride his electric scooter, and on the back of his scooter, right behind him, he always pulled a trailer. Sitting there on top of the trailer, there was a large wooden box, and on the outside of the wooden box, there were 3 big locks. The boy went outside every day to ride around the block. And everyone who saw him wondered, what's inside the box? Is it flowers? Asked the little girl with a pretty purple bow. Is it a great big birthday cake? Another girl wanted to know. Maybe it's candy, or maybe it's a cat. I know what it is, another boy said. It's a really big hat. All of the children gathered around, and they all tried to guess. Is it a rock? Or is it a robot? Maybe it's a dress. All of the children kept on guessing the whole day through. They had lots of very good ideas, but still nobody knew. Attention please, the boy said. I have an announcement to make. I will now reveal what's inside, but I will only reveal it to Jake. Jake was surprised, and he said, Hooray! You're going to reveal it to me? Yes, that's right, the scooter boy said. Come over here and see. Jake walked up to the side of the box, and he looked through the small door. Now I see it's been revealed to me, and I don't have to guess anymore. But the other kids said, what about me? Will you reveal it to everyone? We don't want to keep on guessing forever. That isn't very fun. Okay then, the scooter boy said. If all of you want to know too, come up here and see for yourself, and I'll reveal it to each of you. So one by one, each of the children went to look through the door. And the mystery was revealed to them, and they didn't have to guess anymore. Just like the boy revealed the truth to the kids by letting them peek. The Lord has promised to reveal truth to us if we're willing to seek. Search the scriptures and ponder them in your heart, the Lord has said. Think of how merciful the Lord has been, and think about what you have read. Then pray and ask God with a sincere heart if these things are true. And by the power of the Holy Ghost, He will reveal the truth to you. And by the power of the Holy Ghost, ye may know the truth of all things.
Want to download Latter-day Kids videos to your device to watch offline? The easiest way is with the Living Scriptures streaming app. Try Living Scriptures free for 60 days by going to livingscriptures.com/LDK.